to give this program and to everybody who participated in it a big hand, and to Sharad. All the credit goes to him to take the battering, take it patiently. Thank you very much. Thank you all. Thank you in particular the people who have come here to make this trip so wonderful. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Jatka.
लोगों समझ सके ना अजीब दास्तां है कहाँ शुरू ये मंजिल है कौन सी थैंक यू
Hi, I'm Vikas Sachdeva, and I've been traveling with Thomas Cook for last I think 3-4 years. And this time I chose Spain and Portugal because I was told that it's a different terrain altogether in Europe. So now we are in Barcelona, and with our tour manager Sharad. Let me spare 1 or 2 minutes for Sharad. He has been exceptionally good, as in he has been really running around for all of us, managing all the 39-40 people in a setting. I must say, he's really meticulous in his task, and he's very jolly, which is a beautiful part which I have learned, that whatever happens, one should always smile. And the way tactfully he manages people, I'm really enjoying it. And he's covering, in fact, one important aspect I want to say is, he's also giving us some extra, say, bonuses also wherever possible, wherever we behave good, typically. And I'm thoroughly enjoying. I must say that Sharad is a sense of this tour. Had it been any other tour manager who just...
Yeah, I mean, our tour manager, even this time he was excellent. He was very friendly, very cooperative, and ignoring his conveniences, he used to attend on the passengers. I'm very happy with the tour manager. Again, I would say that some more time, though extra money we could have spent, we could have seen some good places having come this far, which I think Thomas Cook should take care of. Food-wise, yeah, everything was okay. Indian restaurants, that's all right. Whatever was provided was good, healthy. I mean, I don't have any comments to offer. Everything was excellent, including the hotels. Although this time hotels were booked in a very far away from the city, thereby we were spending more time on the travel itself. Instead of it, you could have saved some more time by doing the sights. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Alapati and Mrs. Alapati.
I'm Vijeta. I've travelled in the Thomas Cook Spain and Portugal package of 10 days. It was a very well organized trip, and we had a very good tour manager, Sharad. We got to eat Indian food as well. Overall, it was a wonderful experience. We were well taken care of.
और आपसे मिलने के बाद ऐसा नहीं लगा कि हम लोग कभी घर से दूर हैं, एक फैमिली के बीच में हैं, थोड़ा बहुत कम ज़्यादा चलता रहता है, शरद संभालता रहा.
We kept waiting everybody for maybe every time we were the last ones to enter the bus. Again, my apologies to all of you. And जैसे पता है कि this safar was very good. In fact, everybody was so cooperative. There were some guys who were, really, very cooperative. मजा आ गया इस ट्रिप में. जैसे कहते हैं ना, स्पेन में आए थे, कहावत है हिंदी में, इंग्लिश में, no gain without pain, this is pain. So थोड़ा compromise करना पड़ता है लाइफ में. And hats off to Sharad because he gave us options to have something over and above what he has in his pocket.
Okay. So he has been excellent person. Rather, tour of course होते रहेंगे, सबके होने भी चाहिए. But as a person, as in this, he is a find to me at least. As in, so good.
Having travelled so many countries, in every trip there is a possibility of some difference of opinion. Expectation, aspirations cannot be fulfilled every time in a single day. So whatever has happened, whatever we have enjoyed, thanks to Mr. Sharad, and we really appreciate his personal devotion wheelchair. So my sincere thanks to him, and I wish him best of luck in all respect. Let us enjoy in future.
Everybody, and especially to Sharad. In any program, अगर घर में बेबी भी खाना पकाते हैं ना, एक दिन अच्छा पकाती है, दूसरे दिन अच्छा नहीं पकाती।
मिलेगा नहीं, कल जाओगे तो
वो ऐसा नहीं होता है कल दाल में
एक दिन बनाया ना।
ज़्यादा डाल देंगे। So we have to take it that comes to us in life, good, bad, ugly, and ये कैसा था, काका का एक लड़की थी, काका का एक लड़की थी, अच्छी पढ़ी लिखी लड़की, कॉलेज वालेज जाती थी तो वहाँ पर किसी के साथ लव हो गया। वो लड़की बोली उसको, तो ऐसा मैं नहीं चलता हूँ भैया, मैं हमको गुजराती है, तुम आके हमारा बाप से पूछो। वो लड़का आया, सोचे बेटा हमारा नाम से लड़की का हाथ मांगना है। देखो, हाथ मांगता हूँ, पैर मांगता हूँ, कुछ नहीं, लेना है तो पूरा लेके जाओ। ऐसा थॉमस कुक का पैकेज कभी कभी ऐसे पूरा ले लेना। ओवरऑल क्या है, अच्छा है बुरा है, लेकिन एज अ पैकेज नाट लेके लड़की का हाथ दे दो। क्या होता है, आज लेफ्ट हैंड दे दूं, कल आके बोलेगा मेरे को राइट हैंड चाहिए। So thanks to Sharad and all of you who have had the patience of hearing to my sort of repeated jokes. My wife must have been ये second show है। If you were to have been a female program manager, he would have sung a song. आपके नजरों ने समझा प्यार के काबिल मुझे, दिल की धड़कन ठहर जा। ये गाना उनको गाना
My beginning of international 10th country. I think I've never seen a person like Sharad. As of now, I mentioned to him also that who's always smiling.
All senses of the word. And here Sharad has proved to us yesterday. We wanted to go to a place of religious purpose in Portugal. It was Our Lady of Fatima. We had to go to a shrine in Portugal. He made all the arrangements for us, and we were able to travel because it's one of the biggest shrines in the Catholic Church at Fatima. And 5,000 tourists were there yesterday at the place at Lisbon at Fatima. So our travel was very smooth, all because of the help we got from Sharad. It was really heartening to see that he went out of his way. We were there up till 11:30 in the night trying to book our tickets, etc. But he was able to help us out every step of the way.
This away, this away, this away, this away. Lord, I can't go back home this away. If you miss the train I'm on, you'll know that I have gone. You can hear the whistle blow 100 miles. Thank you, Sharad, for a wonderful time that you have been.
Thank you.
And thanks a lot to Sharad. Sharad, I am extremely thankful for making me realize how we teachers are. How we shout at our students when they delay in doing their work. And we fire them, and I think Sharad has done that. And for the first time I got a taste of what is coming late to college and how I shout. And I don't take my students in the lecture hall and I tell them wait out for 10 minutes because you are late. I think now onwards I won't do that. Thanks Sharad for doing that, and thank you very much. God bless you. And thank you guys, we'll be in touch. Even if we are not in touch, once in a while somebody can send some kind of message and we'll be in touch. Thank you very much. And thank you for our captain of the bus.
Wonderful friends and made a nice family during this last 7-8 days. And I have come up here to personally thank Sharad. Sharad, you should not apologize. Things happens and it is actually our team members. We need to make the things make the things better in a much more amicable manner. And I must say that this tour is great, and we have wonderful team members in the tour. Sharad, you have conducted everything.
On behalf of my sister and myself, I would like to thank you, Sharad, for such a wonderful trip. We've gone to many Thomas Cook trips, but I can say that this is one of our best trips. Really, we really enjoyed every second. We thoroughly enjoyed, and even the visits to the church and the care you took to see that we went to Fatima, I can never forget. I will remember it all my life, and I'm sure Our Lady will be blessing you a lot. And for that, I would like to sing 2 lines of song. Okay? Good luck, good health, God bless you. That's all my heart can say. Good luck, good health, God bless you and keep you. And keep this family safe in our hearts. Thank you all. Been on many a tour. We have been on tours to Switzerland, to Scandinavia, we've been to Germany, etc. But we've never had such a tour manager who has such encompassing knowledge and goes out of his way to see that you enjoy your free time. Enjoying your free time and utilizing it to the best of your ability. I have never seen a tour manager lift the bags. That's one thing a tour manager doesn't do. But Sharad was caring. He never took his position as a position of a tour manager. He was part of family.
Lovely tour and loud. ज़्यादा जोर से गा नहीं सकती, गला खराब है. ठीक है? Okay. हम रहे या ना रहे कल याद आएंगे ये पल ये है प्यार का पल. चल आ मेरे संग चल. रहे या ना रहे हम याद आएंगे ये पल. कभी अलविदा ना कहना. Everyone, कभी अलविदा ना कहना. Hands together. कभी अलविदा ना कहना. कभी अलविदा ना कहना. Thank you.
Everyone here, as everybody said, unpleasant things happened, fireworks happened, everything happened. Why this time 1% less? So that's what happens usually, and heat of the moment things happen. But thanks to Mr. Sharad, he made everything smooth for us yesterday night. And I would like to have Mr. Sharad as my tour manager. Thank you.
And this Sharad, especially Sharad, who gave his 100%. Minus 1%.
Plus one, minus one.
On my side, don't make it personal. And how the Sharad managed everything is very excellent and appreciable.
Thank you, Sharad uncle and Iman. Uncle, you drive very well.
You drive very well. Thank you. So I did 3 times my check-in. Second time I forgot the credit card, so I did it. So I was so excited till I got into the plane. Then life has been smooth. The best thing happened is that I found an extended family, which I'll never forget. Each one of you. I hope so. I hope so. You guys have enjoyed too.
Definitely, yes.
I had one of the best vacations in my life because the most important thing, Sarat took care of everything. I would like to say a few words for Ivan. He's a professional.
Thank you.
And we're going to say 3 cheers for Ivan. Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray!
Thank you, Mr.